Today is still um, June the 12th, 2026, and the time is 9:56 p.m. I wanted to mention I meet people on the internet, and you have real witches and warlocks in this world. I didn't think that stuff was real, but since I've been living here, I've seen things pop up in front of me that wasn't there. Um, Notes and stuff pop right in your hand, pop right out. All that witchcraft mess. Well, you're not welcome to do any kind of witchcraft inside this apartment. If I didn't open up the door and let you in, you're not welcome to come in any other kind of way by cameras, using your spirit, or anything like that, because that's abnormal, and it's a bit creepy, a bit scary. If you're going to use any kind of warlock or witchcraft in my life, put some money in my purse, put $1,000 a day in my purse, and we can get along. But anyway, I had a dear friend, sense of spirit. I believe in sweeping up, cleaning up. You're not supposed to come into nobody's house and tell them when to move and what to do. Why? Because people believe in different things. The spirit universe got his team out, group of people out that he didn't create it. God got his team that he created. Jehovah Godfather believed that you do everything without murmuring, complaining, and disputing and fighting. Holiness is God, okay? But the spirit universe is Lucifer, Jehovah's fallen ex-husband, okay? He tried to clone God's ways. God created the universe, Jehovah Godfather. So he called himself the spirit of the universe to trick you. The spirit ain't got nothing but a lake of fire future coming when Jehovah destroy all this down here. You see, he adopted cleanliness as next to godliness. But Jehovah is holiness and not next to nothing. So this spirit is hardcore on housework. They will beat your wives and everything else, these creature men, because it's the only paradise they're going to get. The Lord said, in my Father's house is many mansions. So if you go to bed and dishes in the sink, soaking this and soaking that, they're ready to block your eye and bury you in the backyard. It's creature mess. It's kind of hard to explain, but that's the great value that they have. Spirit universe and its imps teach you all that violence and stuff, beat your wife, and I believe you clean up your place in the peace of your mind because you enjoy it better. Nobody wanted anything nasty looking. And that's where laundry and stuff is concerned. You do that too in the peace of your mind because it's supposed to be done. You don't go into nobody's house and tell them what your creature universe taught you to do, or you're going to put the person out. No, you do everything without murmuring, complaining, and disputing. And your housework, your body wash, everything should be done in peace of mind, not by nobody else's instructions, because it needs to be done. And you don't fight about it. You just do it because it is to be naturally, not a religion. Our unclean spirit is what will cost us eternally in the Christian faith. Not a dirty rug or whatever. But anyway, watch out for those creature men that want to kill, steal, and destroy, all because you dropped some wine on their carpet kind of thing. Pack your stuff and get up out of there, because that's not God. That's not his ways.